Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us. We have been discussing about the resistance around 1.0925, 1.0930, and yesterday we got to see a perfect reversal from this particular point here. Hopefully you guys made good profit. Right now Euro USD is standing at 1.0856. This is the current market price. But before I proceed with the chart, I would like to take you to the economic calendar, and you can see that today we have a long list of events. You can see Euro PMI coming up, so market will be volatile, little bit volatile, not much, but yes, USD pairs will be volatile during the US session because of PMI coming up. So beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, you need to be extra careful. Try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news. Because of extreme volatility, your stop loss may not work. So market is going nowhere, so protect your capital, do not gamble with it. And if we look at the chart of dollar index DXY, then we can see that the range of DXY is still the same. The range is doing a perfect job here. For the fourth consecutive time, DXY failed to cross the resistance. Previously, we had an ascending triangle pattern. We had a good possibility of an upside because ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern, but that pattern is gone right now, and we can see a pure sideways market, pure range bound market. So the range of DXY is still the same, 103.60, 103.70 on the upside, working as resistance. And as market has already tested the resistance 4 times, high chance that by the 5th time or 6th time market will break the resistance and move higher. But still, this is the resistance for the market, and we have support around 103 and 102.80. 103, we had a strong support from the 200 moving average previously, but right now we can see 200 moving average is around 103.20. But yes, around 103 we still have good price rejection, and 102 because previous resistance will be working as support. So these are the support levels on the chart of DXY. And PMI is not a big event like CPI, FOMC, NFP, so as a result we can expect that market will not be going crazy for hours and hours. Okay, there can be volatility for 1 or 2 hours, but market should stay inside the range only. But still you need to be careful because market is full of surprises, and try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, so now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. So in our previous videos, we discussed about the upward channel on the daily chart here. Upward channel on the daily chart. And we also discussed about the good trading opportunity around 1.0800 to 1.0780. Because this is a daily chart and we can see market forming beautiful swings here. So once market will be hitting this particular level here, we can expect a good bounce. If market bounces from this particular support here, not only day traders, swing traders and positional traders can also look for a buy position. So if market bounces according to expectation, you can go for a buy. This is a daily chart. You simply need to switch to 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and just observe the market behavior. If you see that market is taking support, market is showing good price rejection from below around 1.0800, you will get the confirmation that yes, market is getting the required support, and you can click on the buy button and you can put a stop loss of around 40 to 50 pips. Okay, so this was the best support, and this still seems to be the best support on the chart of Euro USD if market takes support. But after news, if market breaks the level, then obviously, okay, you need to avoid it. Keep in mind, my dear friends, market is full of surprises. Okay, so this is the support level on the chart of Euro USD where you can expect a buy position mostly before the news. Okay, and if market shows upside, okay, if market shows upside, then the first resistance for the day will be around 1.0888. Okay, you can see around 1.0888 we have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level, and we can hope that the previous bounce from here will be acting as resistance here. So 1.0888 is not a very strong resistance, but before the news, before the US session, if market goes up, then yes, the sellers around the area will not allow Euro USD to cross that easily. We can expect a reversal. Keep in mind 1.0888 is a minor level, so after news, if market shows upside, this level will not be able to hold the market. All the levels, we have multiple levels on any chart but not all levels have the equal strength. Some are major levels, some are minor levels. This is a minor level, so this level may work after, not before news, not after news. Okay. And the yesterday's resistance, yesterday's reversal level is still very much present in the market, that is 1.0920, 1.0930. This level is still very much present on the chart of Euro USD. If market shows upside with good amount of volatility, then obviously the sellers around the area will be present, and if market reverses according to expectation, you can look for a sell. But in between these two levels, okay, in between these two levels, the major level and the minor level, we also have the 200 moving average coming down. And you can see the 200 moving average is also approaching 1.0900. Okay, the significant point we need to focus here is that 1.0900 is a round number. It's a psychological resistance. So around the same area, we also have the presence of 200 moving average as a dynamic resistance. So if we combine both the factors, 1.0900 is the second resistance. So my dear friends, this is the first resistance on the chart of Euro USD, 1.0888, minor resistance before news. 1.0900 is the second resistance that may work after news as well. Okay, because it's a medium level, and this is a strong level, 1.0920, 1.0925. This is the third resistance. So on the chart of Euro USD, we have three resistances, and already we have discussed in our previous videos that if we look at the overall trend of Euro USD, that right now there should not be any doubt that the trend of the market is towards the downside. So considering the overall trend, respecting the overall trend, taking a sell position at resistance or sell on rise, okay, is quite a logical trading strategy that you can follow right now. And these are the trading levels or opportunities, okay, where you can take a sell position. As I said, okay, day traders, swing traders, position traders can look for a buy position around 1.0800, 1.0780. So that level is far away. Okay, that level is far away right now, and at present we don't have any immediate support technically. Okay, technically on the chart we don't have any immediate support right now. So if market goes down, also try to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals before 1.0800. Okay. And you need to be careful. News is coming up, not a big event, but still market will be volatile. Okay, so my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Okay, protect your capital. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care. If I have missed anything, write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care.